97, 98, 99, 100. Besides PE, I'm just counting all the great things about new designs. You ready to go learn more about it? Let's go. Hey guys, it's Kayla from Schola. Today we're at New Design's Adams campus here in Los Angeles, California. You ready to go check it out? So today we're in LA. I'm with Dr. Jusau. He is the principal at New Design's Adams and University Park campus. Thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you for being here.
Of course. So to get us started, can you tell me what are really the mission that you're really going for here at New Designs?
Well, to tell you the mission, I think I need to let you know about the person who founded the school. He used to teach at LAU, one of the LAUSD schools, and found out that many times the students, when it's about time for them to go to college, because of the nature or the kind of classes that they take or the courses they take, many of them don't qualify to apply for universities. So the idea here is to establish a college prep school where we prepare students to be able to go to any university that they apply. So the idea, the vision of the school is to prepare students so that they will be able to navigate through the global, diverse, and information-based and technologically advanced society that we live in.
Oh, absolutely. So you have some pretty incredible programs here, but what are 3 things that you would say stand out that really make the school unique?
I think 3 things. The first one, I would say the fact that all our students that graduate from here, they meet A through G requirement. So every student that graduates from New Design is qualified to apply to any university in America and be admitted. Second one is the fact that we have career pathway here where all our students, when they are coming to 9th grade, channel along the various career paths that we have. We have engineering, we have technology, we have medical, and we also have debating, finance, and we have law. So any of the students can choose any of these 5 career paths that they would like to pursue. That's prepare them for their college path or career that they want to advance.
That's awesome.
And just to let you know that some of our students at Harvard right now, because they qualified to be in a competition, so they will be here. Maybe I think they were coming back today, I think. Yeah, so the debating group is also very, very powerful group. It's a very advanced, and I think that if we take him to look at the trophies that they have won so far, tons of trophies that they have won for the school.
That's incredible, and that's so cool that your students get to have that Harvard experience. So I'm here with 2 8th graders, Elizabeth and Nicole. So Elizabeth, what would you say is your favorite thing about New Designs?
My favorite thing about New Designs is the people you get to meet and the teachers who get to teach you subjects on another level than just normal schools.
That's awesome. And then Nicole, what about you?
Well, I would like to add on to what Elizabeth said. The people you meet here are very nice and caring for you, as well as the teachers and the dean of students, which is Mr. Porter. He's really nice and he would care for you as you're his own daughter or child.
That's so awesome. And then you guys are 8th graders, so that means you're headed into high school next year. How do you feel like New Designs has really prepared you for that?
I think it has prepared me a lot because, I feel like I'm already a high schooler, not a middle schooler. And I feel like going into high school would be like going into college.
Yeah, I love that. And then what would you say is your favorite class or favorite subject here?
Well, I would have to be honest, math and science, because I'm really into math and science and I've always been good at it.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
well, it sounds like when you go into high school, then you're going to be perfectly set up to do maybe the technology or the
Yeah.
engineering or the medical path over there.
Yeah.
That's awesome. It's so nice to meet you guys.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
So it was really wonderful getting to peek our heads into some of your classrooms and see students really learning. But how would you describe the teaching and learning style that you utilize in New Designs?
The teaching style that we utilize in New Design is based on constructivist ideas. And constructivism is an idea that students should be helped to construct their own knowledge. I personally believe that the goal of the teacher is to help the student how to think and not to think for the student. And so what we do here is we do project-based learning. In that sense, students engage in doing projects that sometimes they do thematically. That is, they can be a project maybe to look at a crime scene, which would involve the biology student looking at the DNA, and then you have the geometry student who will be measuring the areas, and then the law student who will be maybe involved in the law part. So all these people come together to have a thematic topic which they can investigate thoroughly as a project. We also involve in Socratic seminars where students gather together in circles and they use Socratic method of asking probing questions and sometimes maybe generate controversy for debate and involved in things like that. There are also times that students do a lot of presentation in the sense of having a topic, especially in English, and with a rubric that is used to grade their presentation. As a matter of fact, most of the law and finance students do a lot of presentation. And with the law, we have people who come in and as judges, and then they grade them at the end of the presentation. So we have all these the idea is to link theory with practice, and we don't want to use or do some kind of what Prairie called the banking system of education, where the students are considered as a bank that you deposit your money in. So they are empty heads that teachers are supposed. No, we don't believe in that. So we believe that students have to be guided to construct their own thinking.
I love that. And I love that you really highlighted all these students think different ways. So when you put them in a project together, they all can just find their own role and really come to really great conclusions and use their critical thinking. So that's really awesome you're doing that here.
And then there's also emphasis on collaboration, which is very, very important, because then people are coming together to exchange ideas, to fine-tune ideas, and at the end of the period, there's a synthesis of ideas, not only from one person, but from a group of students that can come up with better ideas than if one person had gone through.
Yeah, I love that. So I'm here now with Miss Adriana. She's the program coordinator here at New Designs, the Adams campus. So can you tell me, what's your role here? What are you really doing to support the students?
So my role here is to supervise the after-school program that we have. We offer enrichment clubs to our students. Currently, right now, we have theater, Girl Scouts, fitness, we have art, we have music, we do yoga. Our students have an opportunity to participate in a lot of skill sets and just learning experiences that they don't typically get outside of school. And we're actually starting cosmetology and dance as well. So our students are really excited for that, and so am I.
Yeah, I love that you're doing that also at the middle school level, especially those new things that you're, bringing into the program. It gives them a little bit of a taste of maybe what are they going to pursue when they go on to high school, what career path do they want to take?
Exactly, we're big on career exploration, so that is what we take advantage of, any opportunity we can do to allow our students to just find their passion, find their confidence, find their voice, be heard, be seen. And it's been amazing to see that, happen with all of our students here. It's been amazing.
Yeah, and it's so clear your students love you. Like just walking out, saying, all of them saying, hey, Miss Adriana, that really speaks volume. to you in the school here and the
Definitely.
community that you're creating.
Definitely. We like to say lead with love, because at the end of the day, you can never fail when you do that. And that's the approach I take with all of our students here. All of them.
I love that.
Yeah, they're my babies.
So there's a great campus over here. Can you talk a little bit more about this campus and the community over at Adams at your middle school?
Well, the Adam campus came about as a result of overspill of these students from UP. They were all here together from 6 through 12, but I think we were growing out of size and decided that we need to have another campus somewhere. So about 3 years ago, we moved the middle school to the Adams campus. In terms of demographics and in terms of the people that are there, we're almost the same. This is about one mile from the UP, so it's not different from the people. And then most of the area are populated by USC students. It's also close to USC.
Well, I love that, it's a great thing to be growing. And I think it's awesome that you guys, had that opportunity to move your middle schoolers onto another campus. And that probably helps them set them up for success even more, because then they have this natural feed-in of where they can feel at home for high school. And the high schoolers feel like they can have their own space, and the middle schoolers feel that they can have their own space in their own family as well.
In addition to that, also, it's allowed us also to expand and also to give them new facilities with more technology. As you visited our classroom, you're going to see that all the teachers have a Prometheum board that they're using, and every student have a Chromebook that they are using. So it has given them the chance, and then the teachers have more room to be able to do project work or Socratic seminar if they want. And so it gives us more leverage to do a lot of things.
Yeah, I love that. So now I'm here with Adrian and Pablo. They're 8th graders. So I know you guys have been friends for a while now. Can you tell me about that?
Me and Pablo met in 1st grade in lunchtime, and we've been really good friends since then. And now we're in the same middle school, we're going to the same high school, and I'm excited for what the future holds.
That's awesome. It's always so much more fun, to go to school with one of your best friends. And then, Pablo, what about you? What's your favorite thing about New Designs?
I like how influential the teachers are and how much they help me in my studies. And my favorite classes is technology, because they give you a lot of opportunities in what to do in your life.
Yeah, that's awesome. And that'll be great when you go, into New Designs next year in high school. You'll be able to explore that technology career path.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, it's so great talking to you guys today.
Nice meeting you.
You too. So for families who might be interested in enrolling their student at New Designs Adams or University Park, where can they learn more information?
We have our website, which is newdesigncharter.com. That we post all our information in, and if they go there and they click enroll, they would be able to get all the information that they need. Forms are there, and every direction or instruction that they need to be able to fill out the forms will be there. We also engage in social media advertising also, and also we use our parents also as ambassadors to tell the other people about the good work that we are doing. We are also friendly. We have a friendly environment, so any parent that want to enroll can come straight on campus, and they will be helped by our very cordial and very polite staff.
Awesome. You can also go to Schola.com to learn more information. Thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
And that's a wrap at New Designs Adams campus. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys at the next school.